Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hari ni LVLI akan share macam mana nak makeup lelaki yang LVLI selalu buat bila LVLI keluar. And this is like my tips and my routine, everyday routine. So ini macam ala-ala macam get ready with me video lah. So LVLI akan share what product I use and what are the techniques that I use for my everyday makeup. Not really everyday, but I do wear this for whenever I want to look a bit polished. So I'll really put that in. Okay, without further ado, before we continue, please subscribe and like my video, and also you guys can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and also Twitter, Instagram. Okay, so first kita mulakan dengan this Avon Magic Prep and Set Spray. I really dah letak moisturizer. I really gunakan moisturizer from Hatomugi. It's a Japanese brand yang available dekat Guardian. Dia macam buat skin kita, nampak tak? Dia moist and also macam anjal. So I akan spray. So the function of this makeup setting spray, dia macam bila kita spray, dia macam sticky sikit tau. So it help on the makeup to stay put around our face. And then everyday akan ambil this concealer from Rimmel. I'm using code Classic Beige. I will put this on places that I need coverage, like my blemishes. Sebab after this, LVLI akan guna foundation yang tak full coverage. Sebab later I will tell you why. So dia punya jenis ni macam kita kena picit jet. Kalau you rasa banyak sangat, you guys can put it at the back of your hand. Baru letak. Just put dekat tempat yang macam parah, yang very parah-parah like this one. Biasanya this red place ni, yang red spot ni boleh hilang dengan foundation. Tapi I'm aware of the dark spots yang dia warna this concealer is a bit yellow and orange tau. So for me, I think it does help in covering the dark spots. Kita ambil beauty blender atau any makeup sponge, this one. Kita blend it. Blend dulu sikit. So dah blend. And then kita ambil foundation. This one is from Rimmel also. Match Perfection. code Natural Beige. Kita pump. Usually everyday akan guna satu pump je. But I'm not a girl, so I only need a little. So I ambil daripada ni span. And then just blend. Nampak tak? It's not full coverage, but it does give me coverage yang macam okay lah. At least dia boleh tutup red spot. So every day in rush, I'll be using this. And then dia terus cover. See, I guna satu pump tau. Tengok ni, still banyak lagi. So like half pump for half of my face. Let's blend it. And for you guys, for your information, for guys makeup, actually you just want to make your face look more polished. So you don't really want to have you tak nak coverage tu terlalu tebal macam girls makeup, you know. So you just want to make your face look macam a bit cleaner. Supaya orang-orang di keliling anda memerhatikan anda. See, I really like the match of the colour. And then this sponge, actually I really jual tau. You guys can follow my Shopee account, my Shopee shop. You guys search je LVLIMUA. See? Nampak tak? And it's quite luminous also. This formulation of the foundation is quite liquidy. And senang gila nak blend. And if you have macam extra on your sponge, you just put it on your ears so that the colour blend. Sebab sometimes kan nanti muka polish tapi leher leher dia merah dan telinga dia merah. See, nampak tak the perbezaan dia? So I think this is enough. I won't be adding more for coverage, even though you can see some of the, you know, the dark spot. I think that is fair enough. Sebab I don't want my face to look too feminine and too makeup. I mean, you know what I mean? Kita tak nak nampak macam terlalu pakai makeup. And then I'll be setting the foundation with this Silky Girl Shine Free Loose Powder. For this powder, you guys kena hati-hati siapa yang beli powder ni, sebab it helps a lot in buang shine on your face. Tapi if you put too much, your face will look dry. So I'll just put this on the T-zone just to set it, because I know the foundation or the rest of my face will be set automatically. And then like, kalau you tak nak nampak macam terlalu kering, letak dekat T-zone je, sebab nanti dia macam the rest of the face tu a bit macam luminous lah macam tu. Same goes here. Okay, fine, nice. And then I go straight to eyebrow. I'm using this eyeshadow powder. So I have this black, yellow, and this dark grey, cool tone grey. So I'll be taking this color, the grey one. I'm using a eyebrow brush yang ada spoolie for the IC pad, and then I just fill in the gap. My eyebrow dah ada bentuk, so I just need to fill in the gap je. And then I mix both black and the grey one. Add a little bit je dekat tail. Yang penting you all sikat. Lelaki yang paling penting sikat je kena duduk. Tak payah isi, tak payah lukis apa. You guys still want to look masculine kan? This goes to girls yang nak kasih boyfriend dia makeup kan, semua tu. You guys can do this to your boyfriends. Nampak tak? Sikit je. You guys don't have to buy pencil ke and then lukis betul-betul ke bentuk. Up to you lah. Tapi for me, I like this look better than yang keningan lagi lukis. Sikit je. See, asalkan nampak bentuk. Okay, that is nice. Kalau you guys nak nampak lagi kemas, you guys can actually use the mascara kening yang ada warna tu. Saya punya dah habis. Oh, ada. This is Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volume. Dia ada fiber, and the colour is a bit grey, tapi sedikit tak apa kot. Sikit je. Just nak kasih kemas, and then supaya dia tak bergerak. That's nice. And then for extra touch, I'll be taking, maybe dia akan ambil eyeshadow brush, this eyeshadow blending brush, and then eyeshadow tadi tu ambil that grey colour and put it there, just to add shadows, nampak tak? So that your eyes tak nampak naked. Sikit je, macam lala Korea. And then kalau lagi rajin, ambil tadi tu, this one, this blue, and then take any eyeshadow colour. Like this one is Makeup Revolution, the reloaded palette yang Velvet Rose. I'll take this chocolate colour, and then I'll just line my eyes. Ni betul dekat dengan my lash line. And then kalau nampak ada harsh tu, just macam tu, just to add definition. It's like you are wearing eyeliner but very soft eyeliner. But see, nice. And then I'll be taking go to bronzer, blush shading. So we already macam make our face look in one color kan. So I'll take this Catty Doll shading, and then I take this big fluffy brush because I don't want my face to look too defined. Ambil macam ni, tap off the excess, and then just do the 3 roll. 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay. Tap off the excess. Buat 3. Start daripada tab ni, dahi. 3. Just to add shadow keliling ni, just to add some colour to our face. So I'm so 3. And then you guys ambil, boleh letak sikit kat sini just to add shadow. And then hidung, because I don't really like to contour my hidung. We're done. And then lastly, lip balm or lipstick. Up to you guys whether you guys want to wear lip balm. Kalau you guys don't want any color, you guys can just wear lip balm. But for me, usually I'll be using this. This is like lip gloss yang ada color, tinted lip gloss. This one is from Catrice Dewy Full Lip Conditioning Lip Butter yang dari shea butter. So it's somehow dia macam lip balm tapi ada colour. Dia macam colour dia a bit chocolate pink. Kalau you guys nak macam kpop look lagi, boleh letak je yang ni apa you guys nak. This one is matte lipstick. Korea tak? You guys rasa macam nak pop out sikit, nak tambah mascara, you guys can do it. Tapi I tak nak sebab this is good enough. Tapi kalau you get mascara, cari mascara yang macam ni, yang halus macam ni. Halus macam ni, just to add colour to your lashes. Macam tu. Ambil mascara yang tak clumpy dan tak terlalu tebal. Okay. Okay guys, I think that's all for my video, and I hope you enjoy this video. Harap semua dapat belajar sesuatu daripada tips dan produk-produk yang really guna. This is like my everyday makeup, natural guy makeup. Untuk pergi kelas ke, untuk pergi keluar ke, untuk shopping ke, pasar ke. Okay, jangan lupa subscribe and follow my Instagram and my Twitter. I'll list the name, I'll put the name down description box. Thank you. Bye.